friends, welcome to our review of the Glen food processor 4052SX. This food processor is truly a kitchen machine which performs more than 21 pre-cooking tasks. From chipping, chopping, blending to kneading, mashing, puring, juicing, grinding and many more. The food processor is equipped with a 100% copper 700 watt powerful motor to perform all the jobs effortlessly. The motor comes with a 5-year warranty against any manufacturing defect. This food processor has two working areas. The grinder and blender side runs on high speed of 18,000 RPM, which helps to dry grind spices and coffee beans, etc., or wet grinds, idli or vada pastes. The other side runs on slow speed 1200 RPM so that food gets processed and not pulverized. The food processor comes with 3 jars, a 1.5 liter liquidizer jar for blending operations. It comes with a lid which has 3 pouring settings, open, sieve or closed. A SS grinder jar with 600 ml capacity for wet grinding and 300 grams for dry grinding. A 200 ml SS chutney jar for making tongue-tickling chutneys. The lids of SS jars are made from food-grade polycarbonate and are break-resistant. All the blades used are food-grade 304 stainless steel and crafted with precision for better efficiency. The 1 liter food processor bowl is spill-proof and made of food-grade polycarbonate. It has a low RPM citrus juicer which helps to extract the juice from citrus fruits. It also has a centrifugal juicer for hard fruits and vegetables. The feeder tube is placed in the center so that it is well balanced while operations. The disc is designed especially for easy changeability of the blades. It comes with chipping blade, grating blade, slicing blade. Whisker disc is provided for egg whisking, plastic blade for atta kneading, and SS blade for chopping and mincing. It is also fitted with overload protector mechanism which strips in case of any overloading in the jars and saves the motor from burning. To sum up, this is most useful appliance for your kitchen as it takes care of your pre-cooking chores with ease. Glen 4052SX food processor comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.